Welcome to the vibrant world of Toronto. Join us as we try to discover the best places in Toronto in just 48 hours. Can it be done? In this comprehensive guide on how to spend 2 days in Toronto, we'll explore the city's rich culture, iconic landmarks, and unique attractions in just 2 days of exciting adventure. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a returning traveler, Toronto's mix of modernity and history promises an unforgettable experience. Please watch our video until the end and leave a comment if you have any insights about the itinerary we've shared. If you find these practical travel plans helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're building a vast video archive of the best vacation destinations around the world. As a travel enthusiast, feel free to share your thoughts and let us know where you're watching from. Thank you in advance. We've shared a summary of the route we followed in the video in the description below. Download this free travel checklist to plan your perfect vacation without missing a thing. Note, prices and some information may have changed. We've tried to gather the most accurate details possible, but check prices anyway to avoid any surprises. Best time to visit Toronto. Toronto is a city of seasons, with each time of year offering its own charm. The ideal times to visit are during the summer months, June to August, when the weather is warm and perfect for exploring, and during the fall, September to October, when the weather is still pleasant and the city is painted in vibrant autumn colors. Toronto is renowned for its cultural diversity, bustling arts scene, and impressive architecture. The currency used in Toronto is the Canadian dollar. Airport tips for Toronto. Toronto Pearson International Airport, YYZ, is the city's primary airport and is conveniently located approximately 30 minutes from downtown. You can easily reach the city center by taxi, which costs around 50-60 CAD, or take the Union Pearson Express train for a quicker and more economical option at about 12 CAD. For real-time flight updates, download the airline apps. Toronto is roughly 1.5 hours from New York, 7 hours from Europe, and 14 hours from Asia. Where to stay in Toronto? The best place to stay is downtown Toronto, offering a range of accommodation options from budget to luxury. Hotel rates generally start around 150 CAD per night. Notable hotels include the Fairmont Royal York, the Drake Hotel, and Shangri-La Toronto. Staying downtown puts you in close proximity to major attractions and dining options. What to eat in Toronto? Toronto boasts a dynamic food scene with options ranging from street food to gourmet dining. Explore the diverse neighborhoods to taste everything from pea-meal bacon sandwiches to international cuisines. St. Lawrence Market is a must-visit for its variety of local and international foods. Meal prices at restaurants can range from 15-30 CAD. Whether you're grabbing a quick bite or dining in style, Toronto's culinary landscape caters to all tastes and budgets. How to get around Toronto. Toronto is best explored on foot, especially around downtown. The city's public transit system, including buses and streetcars, is operated by the TC, Toronto Transit Commission, with a single fare costing about 3.25 CAD. Taxis and ride-sharing services are also widely available. If you plan to explore areas beyond downtown, renting a car might be a practical option. Day 1, discovering Toronto's iconic attractions. Morning, CN Tower. Begin your day with a visit to the CN Tower, Toronto's iconic landmark. Standing at 553 meters tall, it offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and Lake Ontario. Admission costs around 43 CAD. For an added thrill, try the Edge Walk, where you walk on an outdoor platform at the tower's edge. Arrive early to beat the crowds and capture the best views. Late morning, Ripley's Aquarium next. Head to Ripley's Aquarium, located adjacent to the CN Tower. The aquarium features a mesmerizing underwater world with exhibits including the shark tunnel and touch pools. Admission is about 40 CAD. It's particularly engaging for families and anyone fascinated by marine life. Explore the interactive displays for a hands-on experience with sea creatures. Lunch, St. Lawrence Market. For lunch, make your way to St. Lawrence Market, a historic food market offering an array of local and international foods. Meals here range from 10-20 CAD. Don't miss out on the famed pea-meal bacon sandwich, a Toronto classic. The market's lively atmosphere and diverse food options make it a great spot for a casual, delicious lunch. Afternoon, Distillery District. After lunch, stroll through the historic Distillery District. This charming area, once home to a large whiskey distillery, is now filled with art galleries, boutique shops, and cobblestone streets. It's a perfect location for art lovers and those interested in unique shopping experiences. Enjoy the artistic vibe and explore the local galleries and artisan shops. Evening, Harbourfront Center. As evening falls, visit the Harbourfront Center, a cultural hub along Toronto's waterfront. The area offers scenic views of Lake Ontario, lakeside cafes, and a variety of cultural events. Enjoy a relaxing walk along the water or catch a performance or festival. The waterfront provides a perfect backdrop for a leisurely evening. Dinner. Canoe Restaurant. Conclude your day with dinner at Canoe, one of Toronto's premier dining establishments. Located high above the city, the restaurant offers stunning views of the skyline and a menu featuring contemporary Canadian cuisine. Dinner prices range from 75 to 120 CAD per person. Make a reservation to enjoy an exquisite meal with panoramic city views. Day 2, Culture and Exploration. Morning, Royal Ontario Museum, run! Start your second day with a visit to the Royal Ontario Museum. This grand institution is Canada's largest museum, featuring extensive collections of natural history, art, and cultural artifacts. Admission is around 23 CAD. Explore the museum's diverse exhibits, including dinosaur fossils and ancient artifacts. And don't miss any special exhibitions currently on display. Lunch. Kensington Market for lunch. Head to Kensington Market, a vibrant neighborhood known for its eclectic array of food options. Enjoy dishes from around the world, from tacos to falafel. Meals range from 10 to 25 CAD. The area's lively atmosphere and diverse culinary offerings make it an ideal spot for an adventurous lunch. Afternoon. Art Gallery of Ontario. Ajo. In the afternoon, visit the Art Gallery of Ontario. As one of Canada's largest art museums, it houses an impressive collection of artworks, including Canadian and European masterpieces. Admission is about 25 CAD. Take time to explore the gallery's extensive collection and any special exhibitions currently featured. Late afternoon. Casa Loma next. Head to Casa Loma, a historic castle situated in Toronto. This grand estate features opulent rooms, beautifully landscaped gardens, and secret passages. Admission is approximately 30 CAD. Explore the castle's elegant interiors and enjoy panoramic views of the city from its towers. Evening. Dinner at CN Tower. Wrap up your Toronto adventure with a dinner at the CN Tower's revolving restaurant. This dining experience provides unparalleled views of Toronto's city lights and a menu showcasing Canadian cuisine. Dinner prices range from 75 to 120 CAD per person. Book in advance to ensure a spot and enjoy a memorable evening with stunning vistas. As our 2-day exploration of Toronto concludes, we've uncovered the city's vibrant culture, diverse cuisine, and stunning architecture. Toronto offers a mix of modern attractions and historical charm, catering to every type of traveler. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more travel guides, and share this adventure with fellow explorers. Though your Toronto journey ends here, there's always more to discover. Until next time, goodbye and see you on the next adventure.